Think your butt is too small? Want bigger hips and a curvier figure? You're not alone. And the good news is you can grow your glutes with the right exercises, smart nutrition, and a few style tricks. Today, we're breaking down the best booty building workouts, must-eat foods, and easy hacks to boost your curves naturally and effectively. Let's get started. Butt toning exercises. Donkey kicks are a great move to activate your glutes and outer hips. Start on all fours, engage your core, and lift one leg toward the ceiling with a bent knee. Hold briefly at the top, then return with control. Aim for 3 sets of 20 reps per leg. Add glute bridges to grow your butt and hips. Lie on your back, feet flat near your glutes, and hands by your sides. Lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. Hold, then raise one leg straight up for an extra challenge. Try a bar-style plié squat to sculpt your glutes and thighs. Stand wide with toes out, heels lifted, and hold a wheat at your chest or arms out for balance. Lower down like sitting in a chair, then squeeze glutes as you rise. Do 3 sets of 16 reps. Do weighted goblet squats to target your glutes. Stand shoulder-width apart, hold a weight at your chest, and squat down to 90 degrees. Squeeze your glutes as you rise. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. Finally, add jump squats to your routine to build power and shape. Start with feet slightly wider than shoulder-width apart, squat low, squeeze your glutes, then explode upward into a jump. Land softly. Do 3 sets of 5 reps. Grow your hips with banded lateral walks. Place a resistance band around your ankles, knees slightly bent. Take 10 small steps left, then 10 right. Repeat for 3 sets. Lunges tone your butt, thighs, and calves. Step forward, bend your front knee to 90 degrees, lower your back knee, then return to start. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg, or alternate legs. Foods to eat for a bigger butt. Focus on high protein consumption. Protein is essential for muscle growth and development, so it is important to eat lean protein at every meal. Added protein in combination with the right exercise supports muscle growth. In turn, building your glute muscles will give you a bigger butt. Choose the right type of carbohydrates and fats. Many diets say to completely cut out carbs and fat, but good nutrition is less about removing foods from your diet and more about replacing them with healthier choices. Avoid excess calories and poor food choices by staying away from processed carbs like chips and pasta. Healthy carbohydrates include quinoa, sweet potatoes, brown rice, steel-cut oats, and whole grain breads. Sources of healthy fats that can aid in losing weight and toning your butt are fish oils, extra virgin olive oil, almond butter, and nuts. Stock up on vegetables. Vegetables are often a neglected part of a muscle-building diet. By adding vegetables to every meal, you'll find your energy levels are more consistent and therefore you're able to get a stronger workout by not facing tiredness. Choose the right supplements to support your fitness. Multivitamins boost energy, protein bars aid muscle growth, and collagen improves skin firmness. Always consult a doctor before use. And making your butt look bigger. Try butt sculpting leggings with a ruched seam and flattering patterns to enhance your curves. High-waisted styles also help define your waist. Butt lifting underwear is like a push-up bra for your butt. These undergarments come with or without padding and can be worn under dresses, jeans, or shorts. Some also provide waist cinching, giving you a curvier, more sculpted silhouette under any outfit. Thanks for watching.